Hi there, Teen Group in Powassan, Ontario, Canada. This is Stacy, the librarian at the Goffstown Public Library, and I've heard that you just finished up your session on cooking basics, and you used my YouTube videos, and I'm so excited about that. Actually, I saw some of your handouts. This is the one on boiling eggs. I saw that you did brownies and stovetop mac and cheese. Wow, I am like so thrilled that you found my videos so helpful. So here's what I would like you to do. I want you to continue learning your cooking, working on those knife skills, learning those all those other skills, reading recipes, coming together to experiment with different ingredients and different flavors. So I hope that this has just given you a love for being in the kitchen and that you continue on with it. I hear that your next session, you're actually gonna be conquering the grocery store. So I think that that is awesome. I can't wait. Hopefully I can get a little feedback on that, how you did with your budget and your list and walking around and putting a meal together. So thank you so much for reaching out to me, and I am so glad you liked my videos. Bye now.